It is a Tuesday mail call. Haven't done these in a long time, but I got a big ass package in the mail from my buddy Louis Leon back from Pennsylvania. He runs that First Generation Garage. There's a link somewhere around here. Go subscribe to him. Check out his videos. He's restoring a 67, 68, 69 Firebird, and he just started working on a GTO. So he is a true blue Pontiac guy. But I've been dealing with something for a long time, and a lot of you people probably know this, and maybe you don't know this, but I'm going to hit this ball real quick. That's to the wife. Whoa! The wife knows where to park the truck, but she hasn't parked the truck in the garage in a while because it's kind of hypnotic, ain't it? Yes, it is. Anyways, so my brother, for whatever reason, on this 67 Firebird, he installed one of those little escape from jail steering wheels. It's a little steering wheel that you could drive if you have handcuffs on and you had to escape from prison. That's what this car has, and it just drives me nuts. Now, my 67 Porsche has a factory original to the car wooden steering wheel, and I really wanted one of those. But when I started to dig into what it would cost to buy one of those for this car, I'm not looking at spending $1,000 or more to get one of those steering wheels. So Louis has sent me a little surprise, and I say we find out what this little surprise is. Let's go find out. Louis, you did a fantastic job on taping this. Really fantastic job, need I say. Dear Lord, Louis. I got myself a steering wheel. Now, it does have some issues here and there and there and here, but look at that. Look at that. Looky there. Look at that hot diggity damn dog. We got ourselves a steering wheel for our car. Now, if you watch Louis, he has a two-part video on how he restores steering wheels, and our buddy Jonathan over at Vinyl Village Garage, he has a video on how he restores steering wheels on his channel. And I'll put a link to John's video or channel somewhere, and there'll also be links down below. But I have another idea, another take, a different approach, which no one approach is right. They all get the job done. They all solve the problem in the end. But I have a different way I think I'm going to approach this after watching some other folks handle this. So with that, this is, I'm going to end this today with this. And I have Arrowhead stickers for you guys that want them. If you want a sticker, there's a link down below. Click on it. It's free. I won't charge you anything. No postage. I'll mail it to you for free. The sticker's free. Just put it on your toolbox or something. And you've noticed I got a new toolbox, so I need stickers. So if you have a sticker and you want to send me a sticker and you want me to send you a sticker, down below you'll find my address. Shoot me a sticker in the mail. I'll turn around and shoot you back a couple stickers for your YouTube channel. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, I'll still send you a sticker. Just send me an email and say, hey, Bri, can I get some stickers? And I'll send you a few stickers. So with that, guys, I will see you on Friday. We have a really cool video coming out. I can't tell you what it is because it could be one of several videos that I've been holding on to for a while, waiting for the right time. So you'll have to wait Friday to find out what Firebird Friday is going to be this week. But end of today, we got a steering wheel in. Thank you, Louis. You're awesome, my Firebird brother. And if you haven't had a chance, watch the two videos that Jonathan did and Louis did on restoring a wheel. And then soon, we're going to show you how I'm going to restore this Firebird steering wheel. All right, guys, we'll see you Friday. Have a good one. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please share my videos out with your friends. It helps that YouTube thing, and it helps us grow and attract more F-body guys and Pontiac guys to the channel. So, later.